So guys, so this is where made the the Traders Pro script we created like a year ago. That was around March. This the pro mass of it is really the pro mass. When you say pro mass, is really the pro mass. You see, this script comes with a lot of modules. Like it's kind of crazy. The kind of modules that comes with this script is very very crazy. And one thing about this script is that you see these colors, the UI. If you don't like this UI, the UI, the color of the UI, both the background and the color, the primary colors, you can change it from admin. All right, so that's one crazy thing about this script. So let me log in and show you. This script is like it's crazy, like it's crazy. When you see the features in this script, you know that it's really crazy. Let me log in and show you. All right, so let's log in here. This is the you're looking at this is a trading signal, right? That's a trading signal. Connect wallet, it has connect wallet, trade, you see. And look at the tickets. The ticket is kind of when you create a ticket, you can be chatting with your clients via ticket. Like when you if I create a new ticket now, I'll create a ticket, I'll wait for admin to reply me, and yeah, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me click on support. You can be chatting. Look at this, is a support I've created. We sell. I just created this thing. So this is the what the person asks for, like reseller hosting account. I message him. This. You can be chatting with your, like, on the system. You'll be chatting with your client on the system. You don't need a live chat. All right. So you create a ticket and they get messages. The connect wallet is not very advanced. You can connect limited numbers of wallets, like more than 10 wallets, right? Look at these are wallets I've connected already. I can connect more. Look at this. If you click on more, you see thousands of wallets. Just like this one, I've connected Trust Wallet. I've connected this thing. If I want to connect this one, I click on it, right? I scroll down. I'll put my 12 words. This thing. This thing will come out for me to enter my wallet. All right. So it's very very advanced. All right. So let's look at the market. This is the portfolio. Look at this. The portfolio is also crazy. You see all you've invested in. This is the market. The market shows you all assets. We have like three assets in the market. Cryptos assets. These are the crypto assets. This is how good they are doing today. These are the crypto assets. All right. So we can also see this is crypto. This one will show you all crypto assets. This one will show you all forex assets. All right. So you can click on them and trade on them. Look at it. Anyone you click, you can trade. All right. You can either choose it as a demo or choose it as a live trade. Then when you choose BTC, the live chart changes to BTC. Right. So either you buy long or you sell long or you sell short. If I put it on forex and I choose AUD against USD, the chart will change to that stuff, right? The same thing with the stocks. If I choose Google, the chart will change to Google chart. You will see it in real time. The chart changes in real time. You can trade with leverage, choose your time, and then put amount you want. Let's put amount I want. Let's say I want to trade 500. So with 2x, with 5x, I'm going to lose. If I win, I get $25. If I lose, I lose $25. With 10x, same thing, 25x, $125. So I can trade now. I'll buy long. All right. So trade has been executed. Trade has been executed. Look at it. It's pending. It's showing you the minutes. 0 minutes remaining. In the next 49 seconds remaining. In the next seconds now, once it gets to the time, it will immediately give you the profit. These are the ones I've traded. I made loss and I do that. So I want to quickly show you all the features of the scripts. This is the copy trading. Also very very robust. You see how it looks. Are you seeing that? If I click on view, it takes me to show you. I can start copying this guy and I'll copy it. Okay, the minimum for copy is $2,500, so I can copy with $5,000. All right, so I've started copying it. Active copy. Look at the person I've copied. I can view the positions. You see the position, like the trade it has made. It traded gold against USD, and he made a profit of $0.52. These are the profits he has been making consistently. He's making this profit consistently. Traded USD against that currency, that currency, right? So it also has, you can buy stock shares. You can buy, you see the list of stocks you can buy. You can trade these stocks. Like this is the meta stock, you can trade it. All right, it's either you buy or sell. If you have this, there's no stock, I cannot buy that, I cannot sell. So I can buy $800 worth of this stock, and it will be in my portfolio that I have this stock, right? Look at that. If I go to my portfolio here, you see that all the assets I have. This is my overview. All right, these are pre-IPO, like stock that are going to come out. You can add it there. Look at that. These are the stock I have. I can sell them anytime I want. All right, it has loan. The loan comes with advanced feature, with repayment plan. It's not this loan that you take loan. This one comes with repayment plan. Any of this loan comes with repayment plan that you repay back, right? You see my loans, you see the repayment plan. Once it's time, this one is repayment. I need to quick cash, I need to make the payment back. So it's very, very advanced. This one is the NFT market. Comes with NFT. Are you seeing that? It comes with NFT. You see this corrupted board ape. You seeing that shit? You seeing that shit, man? It's crazy, right? Well, one good thing about this thing, and also it comes with an education. Like your users, your clients can buy course. Look at that. They can. This one is a free course. Now, if I want to take the course, now I can take it. It's a free course. All right. So let me play this course.
Blockchains are incredibly popular nowadays. But what is a blockchain? How do they work?
All right. You can buy courses. Like these are my courses. And it look like it's crazy. I need to make a this thing about this thing. This is the market news. It updates you the market news. Right, it's loading. The market news is loading. I choose you all the market news. This thing is crazy. Like it's the dopest thing I've built. And one good thing is that you can change the UI from admin. Like this dark, you don't want dark, you want a light color. You can do it from admin. That's how crazy this shit is. This shit is very, very crazy. All right, it's very, very crazy. I want to upload this image. Good. And it comes with withdrawal. The withdrawal has like 5 withdrawal codes. So if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. It has 5 withdrawal codes. Let me say I want to withdraw. I'll put my this thing here. Then I'll continue. I'll put amount I want to withdraw. Admin can turn on the withdrawal code if you want to continue. So here now you see it asks me to. You see these are the broker commission code. It asks me to enter it. I will enter it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing now it has like 4 of it. But you can turn if you don't want any. If you want only one, you can turn only one on. If you want all of them passed, if that one is passed, it enters the second one. This shit is one of the craziest things I've built. Right? Are you seeing that? IMF code. This is the craziest, right? Look at that. It enters you, asks you for the other one. This shit is dope. Like, this is the dopest. Task code. It asks you to enter your task code. You seeing that? You see how crazy this shit is? Are you seeing? 5. You can turn it on and you can turn it off.